Reader's Notebook, Lesson 1, page 10. Here we're going to be learning about nouns. Just a reminder, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Okay, nouns can appear in the complete subject or in the complete predicate. So we know here just from this first sentence that nouns can appear anywhere in the sentence. So we're going to be looking at two different types of nouns. The first one is called a common noun. A common noun tells about a person, animal, place, or thing. So for example, if I'm looking at person, I may say she. That's a common noun, a very simple noun. It doesn't have a name to it. It's not anything specific, just she. Maybe I say dog, the dog. A place, maybe the park or school. It's just telling me a general place. It's not telling me the specific place. And a thing, possibly like a ball or a chair. Very, very simple, common nouns. Person, place, or things. With no specific name. So we're going to look at the second type of nouns, which is called a proper noun. A proper noun names a certain person, animal, place, or thing. And a proper noun starts with a capital letter. So for example, a certain person, you could say Mr. Zolinsky. That's a proper noun. It's a name of somebody. Place, Arno Elementary is a specific place. I could say Arno Elementary is a school. School is the common noun. But the specific place, what school? Arno Elementary. That's going to be my proper noun because it's also going to be capitalized. So let's go ahead and look at the sentence here. It says, yesterday, Thomas adopted a dog. So here in the sentence, we're going to look for the nouns. We're going to look for person, place, or things. So we can see here Thomas is a person. That person has a name. It's with a capital letter, so we know that's a proper noun. In the sentence, I also see a thing. It's a dog. Dog does not have a name, and it's lowercase, so it is a common noun. Let's go ahead and look at the next sentence. Today, the dog is wearing a new collar. Now we can look here. We need person, places, or things. Today, the dog is wearing a new collar. Dog is a thing. That's a common noun because it's not saying a specific kind of dog. And also collar. Collar is a thing. It's that thing they wear around their neck so that you know who it belongs to. That is also a thing, and it does not have a name for it, so it is also a common noun. So what we're going to be doing is looking for common nouns, and then we're going to be looking for proper nouns. So over here, we're going to take the boxes that are in blue and move them over into the sentences. You may or may not use all the boxes. I just provided extra just in case. So let's look here. Dogs can be great pets and helpers. Do you see any person, places, or things? Good. Dogs. I know it's the beginning of the sentence, so it has to be capitalized, but dogs is a noun. Anything else? You could say pets. Pets are nouns. They're things that we have. And you could also say helpers because they are good helpers. And helpers is a thing. It's a group of people. Okay, so for this first part, you're going to look for just those common nouns, so people, places, or things. If you run out of boxes, feel free to just make more. Okay, for 6 through 10, we're going to be circling the proper noun in the sentence with the green boxes here. So let's go ahead and look. We took our dog, Andy, with us to Miami to visit Uncle Tito. This one has a lot. Okay, so we took our dog, Andy, that's specific name of the dog, so that's going to be a proper noun. I also remember proper noun because when people are proper, they're formal, and usually when you're formal, you address people by their name. We took our dog Andy with us to Miami. It's the name of a place, a very specific place in Florida, to visit Good. We have one more name, Uncle Tito. So you can see all of those were capitalized and all of those things were person, places, or things. Okay, so for this last part, you are going to be moving the boxes over and circling those proper nouns. And you can see some of them fit and some of them didn't. So I either made it bigger or moved it back to make it smaller.